What's going on, YouTube? So today I'm going to be unboxing the Xbox One Turtle Beach Air Force Recon Chat headset. So this is what the box looks like. Gives you some of the details. You can use this on Xbox One, PS4. Yeah. But it's designed for Xbox. Alright, let's start opening this up. So it comes with a little information booklet, quick start guide. It's wrapped in Turtle Beach packaging. So there's part of the headset. And here's the other part of it. Just like that, you got your headset. I'm gonna try it on real quick and let you guys know if it's comfortable or not. It's not bad. I feel like it's missing a cushion right here or something. I don't know. It feels kind of weird. But yeah, these are like 19 bucks. You can buy them online, anywhere. Grab one. If you could do me a favor and check out the rest of my YouTube channel, maybe leave a comment and like and subscribe. Check out the rest of my content. Be much appreciated. Alright guys, later.